And hello guys. Okay guys, now we are here now in Dagupan. So today we are now in Robinson's. So let's go, shall we? So let's see. So we arrived guys. Let's go. We finally arrived at.
Oh, your cup. Your cup, huh?
Oh guys, hold up. So make sure to like and subscribe to DG Vlogs for more vacation videos like this. So we've been arrived at Robinson's and we are excited. And 1 hour before the film starts. So we'll end the video once. Okay, let's go outside to the public. Whoa! Wow, so hot here.
Dito.
Hold this for me.
Ay, sinunod mo.
Go.
Uy, ano sasakyan? Let's go. Uy, grab na si Daddy. It's so hot.
Maybe. So make sure like and subscribe to DG Vlogs for more vacation videos like this. So hot here at Robinson's. Wait lang. Wait lang. Guys, wait lang.
Yo? Sino? Buti na ako muna yung mga ano tapo.
Ha?
Ang dumi mo yung bag mo.
Ito na ba?
Ang dumi super. Ay,
Let's continue. Let's go continue.
Ano lang?
Yeah, we're going in. We're in. Okay guys, we're here at Dagupan Robinson. So make sure to like and subscribe to DG Vlogs.
Ang dati nga.
30 yung wala pa ko.
Kaya ba?
Sino?
Kaya ba kaya?
Ano na? 2:15.
Kaya na.
Kaya mabilang tayo.
Anyways guys, hold up guys. I'm just going to the restroom. So I'll see you later guys.